Hello and welcome to another update video about Alchemy Pay. Came into the support region at the moment. Too early to say if Alchemy Pay has formed a lasting low. If it forms one in this structure, then the low is ideally in, because one more low will probably first of all send it down to 12 cents roughly, which is the 88.7 retracement level on this chart. And it would emphasize a more bearish potential on this chart. This chart is anyway a rather bearish chart or uncertain chart, probably better than GRT. I do compare both charts to a degree because they both topped in 3 waves in 2021. GRT, however, made a new all-time low in the bear market. Alchemy Pay has avoided that. Nevertheless, any chart that topped in 3 waves is rather uncertain long term, and it could be that this was a wave 1 to the downside instead of a B wave, and we're now moving up in a wave 2 here in an ABC structure. That's a little bit uncertain. We just need to be aware of that. So from a bearish point of view, we can say that GRT came down in a wave after an ABC structure to the upside, a wave 1 to the downside. It might just be working on a wave 2. I think that might even be more likely, which doesn't mean it couldn't go up anymore, but it means that it might just be working its way up in a correction. I did highlight resistance here before. Already here, it got rejected in resistance. It now found support in the support area and might actually go higher now in a C wave at some point. So this is still a possibility. Looking at the retracement levels, I talked about that. We have for this wave 2, that's why I had the red box there. The resistance for a wave 2 standard FIB resistance is between 3.8 cents and basically 10 cents. So when it moves higher in a C wave, then resistance is at 3.8, 5.6 and 9.9 cents. So these will be levels to watch on the way up. But first of all, it needs to form a more substantial low. The possibility is certainly there that it has formed such a low now, but it's just not, from an analysis point of view, just not enough evidence there. Even though if it formed a low, it would be ideal to have it in there now. Any additional low will first of all send it down to, it's not 12. Did I say 12 cents in the beginning? No, 1.2 cents. And anything below that is really uncertain. Okay, so this is one where, any chart that topped in 3 waves is a little bit less certain. So what I can tell you at the moment, there is just no evidence. It has formed a lasting low. The move of the low is at the moment corrective, 3-wave move. It can always develop a diagonal, but ideally here in Elliott wave, we're looking for impulses. Okay, looking for impulses. This is not impulsive. Yeah, it could be a diagonal which is forming, but let's see. Let's see. On that micro level, then the wave counts are too unreliable. So let's see. I mean, essentially the relevant threshold is the 0.076 level, which is the December low. If it goes below that, any bullish potential is gone. Until then, this is sort of the level where, if price gets down to that level, it will be really invalidated any further upside. Until then, we can still get a possible C wave to the upside. It's just that it's a less reliable chart. And at the moment, if you look at this chart here, we are making lower lows, lower highs. Yes, we found support at one of our FIB levels and we saw a bit of a reaction. You typically see that. So from that point of view, it's already working out because you tend to see reactions to the 78.6 retracement level, and now we just need to see if it can form a 5-wave move up or not. At the moment, definitely there's still significant risk that it will head further to the, that it will make another low. Major resistance on the way up here is certainly that wave 4 high at 3.1 cents. If it gets above that level, then at least the imminent downtrend is over, and it has a chance to form a decent higher high, higher low, and then move its way up into the larger resistance box for a wave 2. That's my update about Alchemy Pay. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.